17th July 2021. My name is Adebimpe Olajiga, reporting for Punch newspaper, and we are live at Igondo, where Mary, the amputee who used to be a pure water hawker, if you can remember, sometimes in March we did a story around her where she told us about how she lost her leg, the death of her parents, and many more. And that interview got the attention of so many Nigerians who donated a sum of 25 million to her, according to her. And now, today we are live at a housewarming. She's here to launch the money, the house which she used the money in getting. And as you can see, we are there live and direct. And still in the compound, she built a pure water factory which is yet to complete. This is the pure water factory. She intends to have her own brand which she named Mary Daniels. She has gotten some equipment for the pure water, and we'll interview her, and afterwards I will take you around. This is Mary Daniels. This, remember, she said she has a daughter. This is a baby girl. Sorry. So this is the house, and she said she acquired this house for 17.5 million naira. It is in Igondo. According to Mary, she already has 2 tenants in the house, and in the same compound she has a pure water factory in view, as you can see. So this is where she intends to use for the pure water factory. We'll be talking to Mary right about now. Mary, good morning. How do you feel today?
Sorry.
What did you say? So, congratulations on your new house. How much did you acquire this property? Yes. 17.5 million. Okay.
So, Mary, I believe that today is one of the days you have been waiting for all this while. Can you tell us how happy you are today? How happy are you today?
Speak louder, Mary. I know you are happy. Let us see that.
I said I'm happy for the house and the factory and everything.
Okay, if I may ask you, Mary, why did you decide to open up a sachet water factory?
That's what gives me money. I bought the house and I still use the opportunity to open the factory.
Okay.
So now, what is your plan? What is your projection that maybe in 1 year that you start the business, what do you want to achieve? What are your targets?
I still target more things, but I've not taken down on it.
Okay. So in total, can you tell us how much you made? How much was donated to you?
Then I have to donate almost 25 million.
Almost, or more than?
No.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, then you told us that you wanted your daughter to be with you. Is your daughter with you now?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So, what is her name? Can we know her?
Success.
Wow, Success. So, has she started school?
Yes.
Okay.
What class is she?
She's in KG1.
Wow.
Okay, Mary, we are launching your house today, and we can see that the pure water factory is not completed. What do you have to say about that?
Because
You are confused. Speak louder, Mary.
I don't know whether you have to still help me again to complete that water factory. Because there's many things to complete.
Okay. What have you done so far in the factory?
I bought the engine, the gen, many things of the...
Mary, you seem to have disagreement with your father. So what is the... No. So what is the situation now? Have you reconciled with your family?
Okay, you've not. What about your grandmother? Okay, after the whole interview, we saw your grandmother came out to say some things. What do you have to say about that? You don't have anything to say about that? Okay. Can you take us around your house and show us? Can you take us from your factory to your house? Let's just see how it looks like. So now we are still live at Mary Daniel's new apartment where she... Okay, this is what? The engine. Okay, for the pure water. Okay. The filter. Okay. So now what exactly is left to complete this?
Floor, zinc.
Okay, what about NAFDAC number? Have you done?
Yes.
You've done that. What do you intend to name the brand?
Mary Daniel.
Mary Daniels. Okay, thank you. Mary Daniel or Mary Daniels?
Mary Daniel pure water.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So this is what Mary's proposed pure water factory looks like, and she's yet to complete it. We are still live at our house. Okay, so you have like 2 generators for this.
This one is the one that used to pour water.
Okay.
It is a small gen.
Small gen. Okay.
The water, the thing they put inside the water, you don't have taste.
Okay, to make it tasteless and odorless. Okay.
Talk to you. Ah.
Mary. Okay.
We are live at Igodo, at the official opening of the Mediterranean house.
Before the accident, I was thinking that I'll be a lawyer when I grow up. And then since there, I started selling pure water, be sending my grandmother small change, be keeping my own. Sometimes sleep in shops, sometimes sleep in streets, sometimes sleep in that will show the market side. Even till now, sef. I came to Lagos selling pure water. Some driver will pity me and stop. Some passenger will buy. Sometimes the passenger will take my money away. But I know it's to run, follow motor. If I see that the motor is moving, I will not sell. If I see that the motor is stopped, I will sell to the passenger. There is a car that want to jam me here, in this road here. That I don't even know. I just forgot myself. Don't know what I'm thinking now. I'm just crossing. But there is one policeman that is here. There is the policeman that pushed me one side. I said, I want to die. I said, no, I don't want to die. I have this accident that is 2006. I am 10 years old by that time. When we are going to village with me and my mom and dad, when we have this accident. Because we are in 16 passengers in that car. I'm the only surviving person. People around there take me to hospital and take my mom's phone, try some numbers, which my grandmother that is in the village in Kogi State. Before she come down to Benue State, Makurdi. Before she came, they already cut the leg already. Before she came, they said the leg is too bad. Because if I stay like 2 days, I will die. Before they cut the leg. After then, my grandma take me to the village Kogi to stay. As I stay with her some time, looking at no help, nothing. I just traveled to Onitsha. That is 2016. I am 20 years that time. When I started selling pure water, be sending my grandmother small change, be keeping my own. Before that, my grandmother just called me that there is a guy that is interested in me, that I should come. When I went to Kogi, she said that this is the guy. So the guy said, you take care of me, I will not lack anything. After that, the guy take me home to his place in Ayingba. When I'm pregnant, the body not even care for me. It's me that is feeding myself with the pregnancy. The hospital bill, I'm the one. Everything, I'm the one. From there, there's one of my friends in Asaba, closer to Onitsha, called me that I should come. That there is business there, like this pure water. There's hold up there, hold up used to move. I said, okay. And then I just came to Asaba. That is that 2016 now. I came with the pregnancy. Start selling the pure water. Before I called the guy that I should come Asaba so that I will stay together. Because I have rent house on my own. The guy came, we started staying together till I get back to my baby. That is last year, 2020 January. There is a man that saw me in hold up. And there is one trailer that's coming to come and hit me. The man just saw me in that hold up that, why am I selling pure water? To the man my condition, I explained everything to him. The man said, okay, he will interview me and send it to his junior brother that is outside. After that, the man do the interview that day, that is February. He did the interview. I got home that evening, the guy called me, asked me some question, and I asked him. He said that if 500,000 can reach me to start a business, I said yes. He sent me the 500,000 because I not tell my baby father because I not trust him. As they left, started asking me, so I have that kind of amount. I did not tell him. I said, no, it's not like that. I just will let the money complete before I will tell you so that we will know what to do with the money. Started shouting, talking. I did not answer him. We just slept that night. Before daybreak, take my phone and my ATM and run away. So I went to bank access to withdraw the money. How much I remember is only 2,000 naira living in that account. And then since there, I did not see him again. After then, take my baby to my grandmother. I said, anyhow, I will stay in Lagos. I'll be sending them small money. I said, if I have the opportunity, I will go and learn tailor to use and train my baby. Because when I'm young, I used to help my neighbor sew some things, some small things. That is then, no, not now. Because now, there's no chance for me. But if I see the opportunity to stop this pure water, I will go and learn the tailor to use and train my baby tomorrow. Because I can use one leg to sew.